就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, it's time for Practical Hakka on FM 100 ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Lin。我们呢一定要准时，事情才可以更顺利的进行，对不对？How do you say be on time？
准时。
准时 ，OK。人约了要准时，车子要开也应该要准时，飞机也最好准时。虽然飞机有时候会 delay 这样子，
但是我们一定要比飞机早到啊！
对，也没错，我们要准时到。但你知道什么东西常常都不会准时开唱啊？我已经讲出来了。
对啊，演唱会嘛。
演唱会，你知道吗？好多时候演唱会都会 delay 个可能10分钟、20分钟。So a lot of times concerts kind of get delayed. And let's put you in this scenario where it's not on time, okay? 演唱会怎么还没开始啊？ Why isn't the concert starting yet?
演唱会。
演唱会。
用版还蛮开始啊。
用版还蛮开始啊。还蛮开始就是还没开始，还蛮开始 That means it hasn't started yet. And then the concert 演唱会。
演唱会。
演唱会 Okay, that's a concert. 听说8点才会准时开唱。I heard the singer is not going to start until 8 p.m. Okay?
唐讲8点。
唐讲8点。
张会准时。
张会准时。
开始冲。
开始冲，大家等不及要开始冲。
对，但是他要8点。
8点 That means 8 p.m. 开始冲 That means to start singing, okay? Well, we heard that he or she is not going to start until 8 p.m. 哎呀，真的我等不及要听他唱歌了啦 I can't wait to listen to him or her to sing.
挨得唔擦。
挨得唔擦。
我来堂记唱歌的啦。
我来堂记唱歌的啦。Okay, 唱歌的啦就是唱歌啦。唱歌 We just taught you that to sing a song. I can't wait. 我等不及。
挨得唔擦。
挨得唔擦。Yeah, 就是要来听他唱歌了哈。慢慢的等，待会儿一定会很好听了。
等啊。
也对了，所以有的时候演唱会有人就会请那种暖身的这个艺人歌手来暖场，
对啊
right? Well, let's review some of these phrases right now, including the concert 演唱会。
演唱会。
演唱会 that's a concert, and I heard 听说。
唐讲。
唐讲 ，OK， 不是在八卦，我是真的听说了哈。And then 等不及 I can't wait.
等唔擦。
等唔擦 All right? And this whole month we're teaching you the phrase on time 准时。
准时。
准时 And that does it for today's Practical Hakka.
什么太干？
安子 say 张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.